So welcome to Structon, and this is the Megacity report, where we will be trying to bring to you a city under construction from each country. And now some of our previous content, we might have done them in Kiswahili, but going forward we will be doing all our content in English. Well, some time back, or many months ago, Saudi Arabia announced the construction of a futuristic city that they call the Line. Unlike modern day cities, the Line will have infrastructure constructed along a narrow stretch of 200 meters wide, 170 kilometers long, and 500 meters tall. Now imagine this. All these buildings will be sandwiched between a facade of mirror glass, and it will only take a 5 minutes walk move from one neighborhood to the next, eliminating the need for cars. But the city will also house a transportation facility underground to facilitate one to move from one end of the city to the other in just 20 minutes. So when this was announced, people thought that it was a joke and some kind of just a futuristic thing being animated or visualized. But now drone footage has emerged showing the ongoing construction, and there is an army of heavy equipment on the site doing the earthworks. And of course, one will imagine that what they're doing right now is the first phase, which might be the construction of the underground transportation facility. As I said, now they are doing the earthworks for it. And I just want to know, what do you think about this type of city? Will more futuristic city like this, will more cities in the future be constructed this way, or will we continue to build the cities the normal way we have been building them? Please let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching to this part. Asante sana.